What's up, everyone? This is Huna here, and thanks for tuning in. Before I get into the video, make sure you guys smack that like button, subscribe if you're new, click that notification bell, check out my description below where you will find my social medias in my store. Alright, guys. Also, disclaimer, well, a couple of them. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not a fan of the royal family or anything like that. So if there's any royal family fanboys in here, that's watching the video, this video is not for you. So yeah, there's another disclaimer that I forgot to mention, but it may come back later in the video. Anyway, all right. As most of you guys know, unless you've been at work all day or living underneath a rock, just don't care. Which I really don't care because it's not my country, and anyway, Queen Elizabeth II has passed away, and like about a few hours ago, she probably just died of natural causes, more likely. And I guess it's like a whole, it's a whole, shit show going on in the UK because we got the war that's going on in Ukraine, and Putin's looking at every other country, and that happening like right now with all of this going on definitely made the UK very weak as of now. But anyway, I'm not gonna get into that. I want to get into these coins here. So I got many coins. These are all from different countries: Canada, Australia, the UK, obviously, and there's a few more as well that has the Queen's face on it. How many countries um do she rule over? I know, is it about 70? Let me know in the comments below, guys, because I don't know. Honestly, I don't care, but what I do care about, is these bad boys going up in price. The Queen do nothing for me or no one else that's watching the video, but sad to say I may sound cold, but she gonna be doing something for us now. But yeah, I think these um all the silver coins with her face on it are just gonna go up because she's a queen. She passed away. That's how it is with celebrities too, like basketball players, like with Kobe. His jerseys and stuff went up in price. For example, and who else just passed away? Bill Russell. He just passed away. I think you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, um, for those who are stacking Britannias or has a lot of Britannias, especially, oh guys, do not sell them. Do not, guys. Those are like I can't be, I don't know 100% if these coins are going to skyrocket. I know that they will go up in price, obviously, because of her passing, and that those mints are going to have to stop making them with her face on it. So they may turn into collectible coins, guys. Every single coin that you see, I wish I had more. Honestly, this is all I have with her face on it. I do have a few Britannias on the way actually, but wish I had more. um, don't panic, guys, and go out and buy like a whole tube of Canadian maple leaves with Britannias. It's going to take a while before they stop making her face, and that's when the premium is going to go up on these coins because she's dead, and um, so hold on to these, guys, if you want to. Just wait. Only time will tell before you start seeing these prices just shoot to the moon. You can get a Britannia for about, I got a deal from one of my coin dealers. I got a good deal. I got mine for 23 a pop. You can get them online for about 24, 25, give or take. But with this happening, it's going to skyrocket. Like I see like 35 plus per ounce. Britannia, especially Britannias, Canadian maple leaves, and the other countries. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about you just go out to try your best to hold on to these coins here because we may be making some money here, guys. That's all I got to say. Queen do shit for me or no one else, but she about to be hooking us up now. I know it's something cold, but hey, you know, it is what it is, and just like anything else, baseball cards, anything that's has value, a celebrity, everything, guys. But especially a queen, dude, a queen. Like that these coins are gonna go up. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to rant about this for a few minutes, and I'll let you guys get back to y'all's evening. I do have another coin video coming out soon about um, what I talked about in the pawn shop one about, if you die, um, how will your family know, if they got to sell your coins, how will they know what to do to prevent them from, getting ripped off, what to do. I'll explain all that in the next video, so stay tuned for that. So, other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments below, if you have any comments, leave them below. Again, like the video. But other than that, I hope you guys stay safe, be aware of your surroundings, keep prepared, carry a gun, start stacking. I think I just mixed that up. Oh well, sue me. And as always, have a nice day. Take it easy, y'all.